Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and make sure that you will be on the picture mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got let's say 4 different options. So we've got the timer off, and it is this clock icon. We've got 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on it. As you can see, the icon will be changed. So after tapping on the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And of course it will look the same with all other options, except that if you will pick 3 seconds, then the delay will be 3 seconds, and 5 seconds and the delay will be 5 seconds. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on this icon again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.